YouTube or fellow drivers across the country or overseas. At least here in the US, if you have to deal with this kind of farebox control panel, sometimes you run into where the display is barely visible. And I finally figured it out, even though I've been told, but I forget because I never really had the issue. And upon searching the internet, nobody made a video about it, except one that just explained how to use it, which I'm going to go over after I show you how to fix the screen. You have to hit the green button and this arrow button. First now it's making me look dumb. So you have to hold the green button and this button here. That makes it look like this. Then to make it darker, where the contrast is, I guess the contrast is darker, the background, the green button and this arrow key. And then for us to log in, we hit the pound key. It's fair set. We have 1 and 2. One's for our regional bus that goes from the capital to Reno, or I should say Reno to Carson City and back. That's for that pass and fare. And for here in town, we use the fare setting 1, where our max fare is $3. That's for a day pass. And a driver number, then the route that you're doing or starting out as, the block. It says run number, but we go by block, so it'll be 228. Our trip is 7, and then our direction, inbound or outbound. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully I explained it well enough that it helps somebody else down the road. I know I was trying to help another driver today, and come to find out that that screen is just plain broke. It doesn't calibrate at all. Anyway, thank you for watching. I know it's a short video. Have a nice day.